The great American songwriter John Prine passed away April 7th, 2020 from coronavirus. It's a sad, tragic loss for the world of music. Please join me in paying tribute to his amazing musical legacy and life. We're going to be playing two easy-to-play songs on our ukulele, perfect for beginners. I chose these two John Prine songs because they are playful and in the spirit of the ukulele. Grab your uke, tune up, tune in, and let's jam. Hey everyone, Stu Fuchs here from Ukulele Zen, helping you play music on your uke with lessons that are fun, relaxing, and take you deeper in your music journey. On this channel, I do weekly tips, lessons, and jam sessions, so if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Be sure to ring the notification bell also so you'll never miss a lesson from Ukulele Zen. There are timestamps and other links in the video description below so you can get the most out of our time together. As always, there are printable song sheets and uke tabs, plus jam tracks and bonus content available for download at my Patreon page. Click the links here and in the description below if you'd like to learn about the benefits of membership, to join our community, and support Ukulele Zen. Thank you so much to all the patrons who are supporting this channel. Let's get into the lesson. Let's review the chords, strum pattern, go over a few quick details, and find the first starting note we'll sing. Make sure you watch to the end of the video for the tip of the day. First chord we're going to use is D major, often fingered with fingers 1, 2, and 3, and then open string. Another way to play this is to take the middle finger, place it on the 2nd fret, 2nd string, and then cover these two strings with one finger. I am flattening that knuckle just a little bit, but it's not a lot of pressure. What this does is allow you to play the D major on a small scale instrument like this little concert I'm playing. It's a bit easier for me to play with just 2 fingers. Next chord is good old G major, 1st finger, 2nd finger, ring finger. We'll also have an A major, 1st finger at the 1st fret, 3rd string, 2nd finger, 2nd fret, 4th string. And we'll also see E7 show up just a couple of times. 1st finger, 2nd finger, open, 3rd finger. E7. Quick review of the strum. Always a good idea to muffle the strings so you can pay attention to the motion of the strumming hand. I'm going to show you the strum at tempo and then break it down for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slower. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. And yes, this is the good old down, down, up pattern with a couple of refinements, so watch to the end for the tip of the day where I'm going to break it down even more for you. Let's find the first note to sing. I recommend that you listen carefully to it, then try to copy it. So it's the open A string, ha, then strum the D major chord, la, woke up this morning. Make sure that you pat yourself on the back for showing up for your music today. All right, we're ready to jam. Do me a favor, if you're enjoying this lesson so far, please smash the like button and share this video with your friends. I would so appreciate that. Thanks so much. Let's jam. Here's our first note, la. Here's the warm-up strum. I'll count you in. It's kind of peppy, so keep your strumming hand light. Are you ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Woke up this morning, put on my slippers, walked in the kitchen and dined. And oh, what a feeling when my soul went through the ceiling, and on up into heaven I did rise. When I got there they did say, God, it happened this old way. You slipped upon the floor and hit your head. And all the angels say just before I passed away, these were the last words that you said. Chorus. Please don't bury me down in the cold, cold ground. I'd rather have them cut me up, pass me all around. Throw my brain in a hurricane, and the blind can have my eyes, and the deaf can take both my ears if they don't mind the size. G, D, A, D, 2, 3, verse 2. Give my stomach to Milwaukee if they run out of beer. Put my socks in a cedar box, just get 'em out of here. Venus de Milo can have my arms, look out, I've got your nose. Sell my heart to the junk man and give my love to Rose. Chorus, please don't bury me down in the cold, cold ground. I'd rather have 'em cut me up and pass me all around. Throw my brain in a hurricane and the blind can have my eyes. And the deaf can take both my ears if they don't mind the size. Tag it G, D, A, D, T. Verse number 3. Give my feet to the footloose, careless, fancy free. Give my knees to the needy, don't you pull that stuff on me. Hand me down my walking cane, it's a sin to tell a lie. Give my mouth to the south and kiss my ass goodbye. Chorus, please don't bury me down in the cold, cold ground. I'd rather have 'em cut me up, pass me all around. Throw my brain in a hurricane and the blind can have my eyes. And the deaf can take both of my ears if they don't mind the size. G, D, A. One more. G, D, A. And that was a great jam. Thank you so much. Let's get right into the tip of the day. The strum may be familiar, down, down, up, down, up, but playing it in this very fast bluegrass tempo means that we want to develop a very, very important skill, the lightness of touch. So I recommend that you brush your face, pretend you're brushing a baby's face even. I've been getting a lot of practice in that lately. Brush the baby's face and then brush the ukulele. I mean, it's almost a joke how little you're doing when you really are strumming well. You're really just playing the air and the strings just happen to be in the way. This brings a lot of musicality to the pattern. Down, down, up, down, down. I'm playing with just the tip of the finger. My wrist is doing the moving as if it was a marionette puppet. If you can connect with this contrasting sound, you're getting dynamics into your playing, a real contrast between the soft and the accented sounds. Want to play another tune with me? Please click one of the videos in this end screen. Thanks so much for hanging here with Ukulele Zen. Please subscribe to the channel, click the like button, and share this video with your friends. Look forward to seeing you in another video soon. Hope music is making your day wonderful.